Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way to create your business flyer using ChatGPT and Canva. If you find this helpful, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Let's get right into it. Open ChatGPT on your computer and go to Explore GPTs. So here you are going to search for Canva. Search for Canva and then you are going to click on the one with 12 million plus and you go to Start Chat. So here, this is where you're going to now do the magic, and here you're going to write the prompt of the flyer. So for my own prompts, I'm going to say create a flyer for my real estate business, talking about 12% discount we're offering. Make sure you're very precise in your prompting, knowing fully well that your input is going to determine your output. So whatever prompt you're putting in here determines the flyer that is going to come out. So you click on enter and go to allow. Here it's going to now start generating your flyers. So you hold on. I think it's going to give us two options to choose from. So here we have the option 1 and then we have now the second option. Make sure that your Canva is open on your computer. So when you click on the generated one, then it takes you to Canva. So here is where you're going to edit the flyer to your taste, maybe change the fonts or change the colors or change the images. Here I can decide I'm going to change my photo, putting maybe my real estate image, or change the text that has been written by ChatGPT. And yes, so I can change the text or change the font to align well with my business font or my business text colors. And also you can also add more text if there's something that you need to be written on the flyer that has not been added. You can now add text. And also, yeah, when you go to the left hand side, you see where it says add, then you can add and also type in the text. So make sure you choose the colors to align with your brand colors. So when you go to the top, you click on the colors and you get to choose any color that matches with your brand color. And here I'm probably going to choose pink for this, not really something serious. So the same way you're going to edit every other things. I'm sure this video has been very helpful to you. Kindly subscribe and like for more videos like this. Thank you.